The first day, you walk into Futures class really not knowing what to expect. You find out that there's a theme you'll be following for the entire semester based upon current innovations and new changing technology.
There are lots of themes of the futures. For example, energy futures is one of our major themes, but when students go through the course, they learn that energy involves technology, energy involves research, energy involves entrepreneurship and turning ideas into reality. So we want to prepare students earlier for being able to think about how these all integrate and why it's so important to consider them all.
MIND's mission is to provide solutions to global challenges that we're facing today and challenges that we don't even know exist yet. Futures is an opportunity for students to explore the various perspectives around some of these global challenges.
It took a really large effect on my future. Now I'm really considering double majoring or looking into doing materials.
My first seminar instructor taught all about carbon sequestration, which I had no idea was a thing, and it really opened my eyes to the possibilities of other disciplines like petroleum engineering.
The Futures Encounter is my absolute favorite part of Futures. It is this opportunity that we have where students can take what they're learning from all the different professors in the class and experience it outside the classroom.
I was able to go and see how the stuff that we study here and different things that I was interested in actually affected the real world and how they're affecting our futures.
It's showing you what you have to work towards, proving to you what you already know and understand, which is really rewarding.